Everybody here on the stage, please, can you step down? Hello. Please, stand on that. APC. Too much feeling for Nigeria now. With APC, feeling no go dey again. Too much poverty for Nigeria. With APC, poverty no go dey again. No be fair. No be fair. I want to beg every one of us. Make everybody put in mind together to make sure that APC take over 2027. What is that? Now me your black people all the way from Bayelsa State. When I came in from Dubai yesterday, I said let me come raise the occasion today. Because of the love I have for the new party and the new coalition. That's all. And what we are going now is listen to me, as we will sing this song. Listen, APC, Comot for road, APC don't come. You no get the record. APC don't come. APC, Comot for road, APC don't come. We no get the record. APC don't come. Can we say bye-bye to APC? Bye-bye to APC. Bye-bye to APC. Thank you very much. To recognize my brother and friend, Senator Balak, my brother from Katsina State, you are welcome. I also want to quickly recognize the former Speaker Pro Tempore of the House of Reps, Dr. Segun Segba, Honorable Segba.